Did you know that in the second part of the 20th century, the Japanese company Toyota was the first company to implement fully all the practices of total quality management? Hello again. It is my great pleasure to welcome you in order to discuss one more very important core principle for the excellence of management of your vocational school. Let's talk about quality management. Well, quality is fundamental. Quality, of course, is about performance, is about achieving no defect. But quality is also key for security and well-being inside of my school. Quality, of course, is a bunch of tools that you can implement inside of your school. But besides the tools, quality is a philosophy of behavior. It is a philosophy of management. It is the so-called Kaizen. Then finally, quality is essential to bring value to your client. So let's start by defining better what is quality. Well, quality can be no defect. Quality can be reliability. Quality can be design, aesthetics. But who is going to define what is quality? It is, of course, your client. Is your client satisfied? Are you creating value to your client? Are you creating value to your students, to the industry, to society? Well, quality is linked to the ability of satisfying my client and creating value for my client. So, the total quality management is known with the word Kaizen. What is Kaizen? It's a Japanese word that is composed of two parts. Kai, which is the change, and Zen, which means the good. So Kaizen is a path. It's a change for the better. It is continuous improvement. And Kaizen is much more than a bench of total quality management tools. It is an inside philosophy of management. It is a constant behavior. This means that quality is a shared value that all of us need to implement. It means you are responsible for quality. It means that if you see an unsecure condition inside of your school, you are the one to stop this operation and bring back security and quality. This is where leadership is so important. Leadership is about irradiating values. Leadership is a behavior. It is the behavior of quality and security. The leader has to be the one showing all the time the importance of quality management through its own behavior. Now let's talk about the tools. Of course, there are plenty of tools for implementing quality management. The most famous is the PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act. Plan your processes, perform and collect some numbers, some key performance indicators, check the targets, and learn and act, looking at your targets and looking at your numbers, so that you can continuously go around the PDCA cycle and improve your processes. So quality management is a lot about numbers, histogram, value charts, Paretos. What is important is to define clearly your processes, to have some good numbers to follow your processes, and always be willing to change and willing a higher performance, improving constantly. Total quality management never ends. there is always something that you can improve, and you have to be the change that you want to see. So summing up, total quality management is fundamental, not only for high performance, but also for security and for the well-being of the people inside of my vocational school. Total quality management is continuous improvement. It is a cycle of plan, do, check, act. And we need to have some numbers to be objective on what we're talking about when looking at our processes and improving constantly our processes. Now I would like to propose you a little challenge. I want you to be the change that you want to see. I want you to be total quality management. Look around you. Look around the room you are in right now and check 2 points where you see there is a possible improvement. Spot 2 points where maybe you can improve security, you can improve quality. And after this video, you have exactly 5 minutes to go act right now and improve the quality of the room you are in. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you very soon.